kindergarten! Welcome back to Miss Hirsch's Kinder Corner for another subtraction game. So boys and girls, we are going to take a look today at the game that's called Bulldozer. And if you have this sheet, it's in the package for June, if you picked up a package from me. There's a section called Numeracy Activities. This is also a section on my website. And if you go down a little bit, you'll see Early Subtraction Skills. Bulldozer is listed right there. So if you need to review, to go back over these steps to play this game, you can look here on my website under Numeracy Activities, or just take this paper out of your package if you got one for me and take a look at it. Should we find out how to play this game? So to play Bulldozer, my subtraction game, you need 2 dice. You need some playing cards where you have taken out all of those cards with the funny faces on them. So all you have left is ace, which is going to be our number 1, okay? All the way up to number 10. So just number cards. You're going to need some playing pieces. So I like to use these little foam things, right? And you're going to need to use a 10 frame. So if you picked up a package from me for June, you still have some 10 frames in there. I gave you some more. And if you're printing all of your stuff off of the internet by yourself, you can find these still online. My 10 frame game sheet with the instructions, it has a link to these, so you can print some more. And if you need some, just ask me and I can also just send them to you. So boys and girls, Bulldozer is a game where we're going to build a number, and that number that we build on our 10 frame is going to be a road. And our road needs to get cleared. It's full of rubble, and all of these little playing pieces are making up the rubble and the big clumps of dirt that are sitting on our roadway. So my bulldozer is getting hired to come and clear the road. My playing card is my bulldozer. But here's the trick. If my playing card is a number that is bigger than the number I built with my dice, my bulldozer can't clear that road. It will wreck it. It's too big. So I have to make sure my bulldozer is the same number or a smaller number than the number that I built with my dice. Does that make sense? Should we try this out? Okay, let's take a look at the game Bulldozer. Okay, boys and girls, here's everything we need to play Bulldozer. So I've got my dice, my cards from ace, which is number 1 to 10, and I've got some playing pieces and my roadway. This is my 10 frame mat, right? The first thing I'm going to do is build some rubble on my roadway. So I'm going to roll the dice. What number did I get? I got 5. So I need to build 5 pieces of rubble on my roadway. I could put them wherever I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's what my roadway rubble looks like. Now when I pull my bulldozers out to clear my roadway, the number on my bulldozer needs to be the number that I clear away. So let me show you. I'm going to pull a bulldozer and I'm going to see whether or not that bulldozer will work. So, construction company, call a bulldozer. We've got some rubble that needs to be cleared away. All right, the first bulldozer they sent me was number 3. Will number 3 work? Can I clear away 3 pieces of rubble? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Look, my bulldozer can work. It has a small enough number that it can clear away 3 pieces of rubble. How many pieces of rubble are left? 2. But this is where a round ends. So all I'm doing is I'm doing a rolling the dice to make my rubble, and then I'm pulling the card, and if the card works, then I can use the card that I pulled to clear out some of the rubble. 3 rubble got cleared away, 3 pieces, 2 pieces are left. Now we'll play another round. So I'm going to put this card to the bottom of my pile. Roll the dice, build some more rubble. I got 5 again. We just did that. Should we try a different number? Oh my goodness. How many ways are there to make 5? This isn't 5. 5 and 3 more. How much is that? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this road has 8 pieces of rubble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My 8 pieces are made. All right, construction company, our road has rubble on it. We need to clear away these rocks and this dirt. Somebody call a bulldozer. All right, here's my bulldozer. Can I use number 8 to clear away these amount? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I cleared away all of my rubble because the card and the dice are the same amount. Now I want to show you something. Let's say that I had my 8 pieces of rubble. Okay. We'll put them like this. And let's say that the card that I picked was a number bigger than 8. So my bulldozer comes and it's 9. What happens if I try to clear away 9 pieces? Let's see, because this is the bulldozer that I picked. It has a 9 on it, so it has to clear away at least 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no! There's not the right number. I have to get rid of this card, rebuild my 8 again, and try another number. So here's the trick. If I have 8, I have to have a card that's the same or smaller in order to clear away my path. There's 3 again. So my 3 card could work because it would only clear out these 3. Now, how many are left on my roadway? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I would play a new round. So boys and girls, try this game out. The trick to this game is picking a card that's a bulldozer that's the same number as your number of rubble or less. Okay? Give it a try. See how it goes.